This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Coolant renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever, located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Position the jack under the front subframe rear mounting and raise the vehicle. Now place axle stands in position, then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Remove the screws at the front, near side edge, off side edge and rear of the engine under tray. Release the clips at the front, then lower the under tray and remove it from underneath the vehicle. Position a drain tray underneath the vehicle. With the engine completely cold, unscrew the expansion tank cap. Remove the retaining clip and disconnect the bottom hose from the radiator to drain the coolant. When drained, refit the hose and secure the retaining clip. Repeat the procedure on the lower intercooler hose. Once all the coolant has drained, remove the drain tray from underneath the vehicle. Position the engine under tray underneath the vehicle. Engage the tray at the front edge, then install the rear screws, offside screws, near side screws and front screw. Mix up the required quantity of coolant to the correct specification. Slowly fill the system with the coolant. Continue to fill the cooling system until bubbles stop appearing in the expansion tank. Help to bleed the air from the system by repeatedly squeezing the radiator bottom hose. When no more bubbles appear, top the coolant level up to the max level mark. Do not refit the cap to the expansion tank. Position the jack, raise the vehicle, and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Run the engine at a fast idle speed until the cooling fan cuts in. Watch for air bubbles rising in the coolant reservoir. Wait for the fan to stop, then switch the engine off and allow the engine to cool. Now refit the expansion tank cap. Close the bonnet, ensuring that it shuts securely.